Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook silken tofu in soup. Silken tofu is incredibly delicate, so the first step is always gentle handling. To avoid crumbling, carefully transfer it from its packaging using a wide, shallow spoon or a small spatula. Once out, you can cut it into 1-inch, 2.5 centimeter cubes, either directly in its container or on a flat, clean surface. This ensures the tofu maintains its shape and texture throughout the cooking process, making it a delightful addition to your soup. Knowing when to add your silken tofu is crucial for maintaining its integrity. Always introduce it towards the very end of your soup's cooking process, ideally in the last 2 to 3 minutes. The soup should be at a gentle simmer, not a vigorous boil, as intense agitation can easily cause the delicate tofu to break apart. This timing allows the tofu to warm through without disintegrating, ensuring each piece remains distinct and enjoyable in every spoonful. Once you've decided on the perfect timing, the method of adding the tofu is equally important. Gently lower the 1-inch, 2.5 centimeter tofu cubes into your simmering soup using a slotted spoon. This prevents splashing and helps the tofu settle without disruption. Crucially, avoid stirring the soup vigorously after adding the tofu. Instead, let it gently heat through for about 2 to 3 minutes. This gentle simmering ensures the tofu warms evenly, while retaining its smooth, delicate texture. After the tofu has gently warmed through for its 2 to 3 minutes, your soup is ready to be served immediately. Silken tofu is remarkable for its ability to absorb the rich flavors of your soup, becoming a delightful, creamy component that complements the other ingredients beautifully. For an extra touch, consider garnishing your bowls with fresh herbs such as chopped scallions or cilantro. This not only adds a burst of color, but also a fresh aroma, elevating your delicious and comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.